In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a funnel on Systemi.io in just 5 minutes, whether you're an experienced user looking to show off your latest creation or a newcomer eager to collaborate. Sharing a funnel is a breeze once you know how. So let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First things first, you need to log into your Systemi.io account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to do that first, but assuming you already have your login credentials, simply navigate over to the Systemi.io website, enter your details and log in. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can access all the tools and features that Systemi.io offers. Once you're comfortably on the main page, take your cursor and hover over the website tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here click on Sales Funnel. This action takes you directly to the area where all your funnels are listed, waiting for you to select the one you wish to share. Each funnel represents a unique customer journey, so be careful to pick the right one. Now that you're there, scroll through your list of funnels and select the one you want to share. Simply click on it to ensure it's highlighted and ready for the next action. There's no need to open it fully, just a click to select is all it takes at this stage. Next, direct your attention to the right side of the funnel's name. You'll notice 3 little dots. Click on these dots to expand a menu of options related to that specific funnel. It's a subtle element but incredibly powerful, giving you access to various management features. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Share. Go ahead and click on Share. This action will immediately generate a unique link that, when shared, allows others to access this specific funnel configuration. It's a fantastic way to collaborate with team members, get feedback, or distribute your finely crafted journey to a broader audience. Once the link is ready, you'll find the option to copy link to clipboard. Click on this button and just like that, you're ready to distribute your funnel link. The system saves it to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you'd like to share. Now that you have the link copied, you can share it with others. Feel free to distribute it however you wish, be it via email, where a personalized message can accompany it, through social media for broader reach, or messaging apps for direct and immediate delivery. Each method offers its own benefits, so choose accordingly based on your audience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sharing funnels on Systemi.io. With just a few clicks, you can collaborate, gather insights, and expand your reach effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.